wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! Mm-hmm.
We're playing with Legos.
Yeah, have you guys ever played with Legos?
Have you? There are tons of Legos out there, right?
Yeah, there are so many Legos. You could build that rainbow. You could build a rocket ship.
Yeah, you can build anything, really, anything you can imagine. And we have so many boxes.
Yeah.
We have 4 boxes of Legos.
Whoa, 4 boxes of Legos. I don't even know how we're going to use all of them. There are so many Legos here. Look.
Yeah.
We
started building some already.
Yeah. We were already playing because we like to play. So yeah. Okay. Okay, you get that. I'm gonna grab this one.
And start playing.
Okay. I'm building. And this I'm making a little a cart. Oh, yeah. And then I'm gonna have a second cart over here. This big giant thing. Like a submarine. Yeah. See, look, it's like a submarine thing.
Wow, that looks pretty cool.
Thanks.
Are you sure it's a submarine or not a helicopter? It has propellers.
Yeah, I think it's a helicopter, but I think that I'm pretending like it's a submarine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. How about you? What are you building?
I'm building a U-boat.
Ooh, very cool.
You like that?
I do. It's very, very neat. And then I need this one.
No, I need that one.
No, I need that one.
I grabbed that one first.
No, I said I needed it.
I grabbed it.
Yeah, but I had already said that I needed it.
No,
when
but
you
I
grabbed
touched it
No.
before you did.
No, but that doesn't matter. I already said I needed it. I called it.
No, but I touched it. I took it first. I saw it first and I took it first.
You didn't see it first or else I wouldn't
did.
have said
It's
that I
mine.
needed it. No, it's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
It's mine. You broke
No,
it.
you broke it.
You broke
You
it.
broke it.
Noah.
You broke
No,
it.
you broke it. Don't stop.
You
Stop.
broke it.
You broke it.
Yeah.
I'm keeping them. These ones are mine.
You broke.
No, these ones are these.
I'm gonna take
don't
yours.
Don't touch my side. This is my side. Don't
No.
touch my side. No. Wow. Did you see that, kids?
You
no.
took my stuff.
No. Fine. I'll just keep all of them. They're all mine. Wow. Noah, that is so immature. You are a baby. Noah's a baby. Baby
You
Noah.
broke it.
You're a baby. No.
You're a baby.
No, you're a baby. No. Here. I don't even like playing with you.
Noah and
You're not fun.
Olivia! You are both not nice to each other. Oh, hi kids! Did you see what Noah and Olivia are doing? They are fighting. And they're hurting each other. How can we help? Kids, do you have any ideas? Should we ask Miss Wigglesworth? Okay, let's do.
Hi, Hannah. What's going on?
Well, Noah and Olivia are fighting and not talking with each other. What can we do?
Disagreeing with siblings is a good way for children to learn important life skills.
But what are they learning?
They learn compromise, negotiation, empathy, and seeing things from another person's point of view.
So, are you saying that fighting can be good?
Well, no one really likes conflict, but you can't avoid it forever either. Even the most easygoing person is going to have multiple times throughout life where they disagree with someone else.
So, when we disagree, how do we avoid fighting then? Because Noah hurt Olivia and Olivia hurt Noah. That's not good, right?
Well, it's good to start by talking about it instead of yelling or throwing things, right? Noah could have kindly told Olivia that she was taking his building blocks, and if Olivia felt it was hers, they could have talked about how they could compromise, right?
Miss Wigglesworth, what's compromise?
Well, Noah could have taken the parts he needed and give those he didn't need to Olivia. That's compromising, right?
Oh, okay, I understand. So, for example, if I fight with my friend over a toy, for example, I could say, let me play for it for an hour, and once I'm done, you can have it for the next hour.
Exactly.
I guess we should see how Noah and Olivia solved their problem, right? Let's check in with them.
Ouch.
Are you okay?
You hit...
Well, you threw them at me first. Are you okay? Noah. Are you okay?
You hit me in the eye.
I didn't mean to.
Yeah, you threw Legos at me.
Yeah, you threw Legos at me.
But I didn't hit you in the eye.
Yeah, but it was an accident. I didn't mean to hit you in the eye. I just threw Legos just like you threw Legos. Huh, kids?
It was my piece. I saw it first and I had my hands on it first.
I saw it first and I said I needed it first. Now look at this mess.
This is a mess.
Now we broke all the Legos, huh? Yeah, my car's gone. And my submarine that was a plane is gone.
Well, you can clean up this mess. It's all your fault.
No, it's not. I'm not cleaning up the mess. You're the one who threw all the Legos out of the thing.
I'm not talking to you.
Fine, I'm not talking to you. I'm gonna just talk with the kids. Hi, kids. Hi. How are you? Did you see Noah throw all those Legos at me? Wasn't that mean of him? What's that, kids? I think the kids are calling us babies.
You're a baby.
You're a baby.
No, you're a baby.
No, you're a baby. No, 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 no. I'm Noah and I'm a baby. Olivia tried to take the same piece as me. Boo, boo, boo. Ow!
Yeah, see? Now you know how it hurts.
You started throwing them. I didn't start throwing them. You're mean, Noah.
No, you're mean.
Yeah,
you're a
I don't
baby.
even like playing with you.
I don't like playing with you either.
Good. Fine. Then we can never play together again. I'll just play by myself.
So stupid.
Jeez. Noah. I'm just going to build this by myself.
Can I have my submarine back?
I thought you weren't talking to me.
Fine, I'll just get it from you. Give it back to me!
No, you aren't talking to me. And you put it over here.
You know what? Whatever.
What? Yeah, whatever.
I'm just gonna go.
Okay.
I don't want to deal with you
All
anymore.
right. Bye, Noah. Wow. Did you see that, kids? He threw stuff at me and threw the Legos down and... Ugh. Boys! Jeez! They're so mean and they have to throw things and... This is such a mess. We're gonna get in a lot of trouble. There are Legos everywhere. But that wasn't Noah's fault though, wasn't it, kids? Ugh. Well, I guess I also stole the piece. Aw, man. I think it was both of our fault. Hi, Noah.
Hey, Olivia. So, what do we do now?
I think that I'll give you part of your boat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And maybe next time, maybe we could share the piece.
Yeah, maybe we should have shared it. We could have just built a new one. Like, I could have given it to you and I could have just built a new one.
Yeah, and I could have given it to you and I could have built a new one. Or we could have built something with it together. Or and now there's a big mess, huh?
Yeah. If Mom and Dad sees this, they're not going to be happy with us.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to clean it all up before they come in our room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Olivia. I didn't mean to hurt you or throw things at you. I shouldn't have done that.
I'm sorry too. I didn't mean to throw things at you either. And I'm sad I hit you in the eye. Is your eye okay?
Yeah, it's okay again.
Yeah.
Is your cheek okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Do you want to build something together?
Yeah. Do we want to build maybe like a big tower?
I was thinking more of a spaceship or something.
Ooh,
Like something that can fly.
Yeah. What if we build a big spaceship that has like an observation tower?
Oh, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah. It'll
That's
have
a
both
good
things.
compromise.
Yeah. That's a good
It
compromise.
has something you like, it has something that I like.
And then we can play together and use all the pieces. Look how many pieces we have.
I know. We
Yeah.
have so much.
So much.
And then we don't fight over it.
Yeah, and we won't have to fight at all.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start building the
So
spaceship.
why don't we take blue and red? Since red is your favorite color and blue is my favorite color, this will be a type of spaceship tower with blue and red.
Yeah, it'll
Does
be.
that sound good?
Yeah, a blue and red spaceship tower. That sounds great. And then
Okay.
we can use the clear parts for the windows.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I think there's an engine somewhere.
I think so too, and I know we have like computer pieces. So how about you be the co-pilot? Can I be the pilot?
Yeah, we can take turns. Maybe you be the pilot the first time, and then I'll be the pilot the second time.
Oh yeah, that sounds good. Or we're both co-pilots. How about that?
Oh yeah, we can both be co-pilots because you have to have two pilots to fly a plane or a rocket ship or anything.
Yeah,
probably.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's do
That's
that.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
Can I hug you?
Aw. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Oops. We
Let's
keep
start playing.
dropping more Legos.
That's okay. We'll
there's
clean
so
it up.
many, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we'll clean it up. We'll clean it up by building the biggest rocket ship ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yay! Noah and Olivia compromised and are not fighting anymore. Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah, well, kids, that's it for today then. And remember, we all fight. We all get angry or upset when somebody does something to us. But instead of hurting the other person, let's talk about it and tell them why they hurt us. And ask them kindly not to do it again. Or find a way to compromise. So, have a great compromising day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!